Welcome! Now, let us understand some special functionalities of the Microsoft Excel. For ease of reference, we will discuss the special functionalities under each main option of the ribbon one by one. Let's start with the File tab. As discussed earlier, File tab is majorly concerned with opening, saving, printing, and closing the workbook. However, there are some special features available on the File tab, such as 1. Share. We use this option to share the file with multiple users and send it over email. 2. Export. We use this option to export the file in PDF or XPS document, and we can change that file type as well. 3. Account. We use this option to sign into our Office account, and we can change Office theme too. 4. Options. All of Microsoft Excel settings are located in the Excel Options dialog box. The Excel options control the behavior and appearance of Excel, enabling you to adjust the operation of the spreadsheet package to suit the way you work. The Excel options dialog box provides a list of settings categories that you can click on to access the related settings. Following categories are available under the Options dialog box. 1. General. These settings control some of the most popular options, including the display and enabling of the mini toolbar in live preview, as well as options for personalizing Microsoft Office. Some settings in this category affect all applications in Microsoft Office. 2. Formulas. The formulas options allow you to control the calculation of formulas, the performance of the worksheet in terms of calculations, and error handling. 3. Data. This is an additional feature which is introduced in the updated version of Excel. With the help of Data option, you can make changes to the default layout for pivot tables, disable undo for large pivot table, refresh options to reduce refresh time, prefer the Excel data model when creating pivot tables, query tables, and data connections, enable data analysis add-ins, Power Pivot, Power View, 3D maps, etc. 4. Proofing. Proofing options control the autocorrect and spelling settings. 5. Save. The location and format used when spreadsheets are saved or controlled by the save settings. 6. Language. These settings control the language used for spelling help and screen tips. 7. Ease of access. This is an additional feature which is introduced in the updated version of Excel. This is an accessibility checker which helps you find and fix content in your document that may make it harder for people with disabilities to consume your content. 8. Advanced. The advanced settings control a wide range of customization options like decimal points, where cursor move after pressing enter, cursor movement, cut, copy and paste settings, image size and quality settings, chart settings, and various display options for workbook and worksheet formulas, etc. 9. Customize ribbon. These settings control the content of the ribbon. 10. Quick Access Toolbar. These settings control the content of the Quick Access Toolbar. 11. Add-ins. Add-ins are special programs that bring additional functionality to Microsoft Excel. For example, Power Pivot, Power Query, etc. 12. Trust Center. The settings that protect your spreadsheets are stored in the Trust Center like privacy options. With this, we have completed the understanding of various special functions available in the Microsoft Excel's File tab. Thank you. See you at the next part of the course.